ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini. Everyone's talking about them, but here's the question nobody answers. Which one is actually free in 2026? I tested all three so you don't have to. Let's go. Number 1, ChatGPT, the most popular AI on the planet with 700 million users. The free plan gives you GPT 4.0 with limited messages per day. It's fast, it's versatile, and it handles most tasks well, but hit the daily limit and you're locked out until tomorrow. Free, but with a ceiling. Number 2, Claude by Anthropic. This is the one I use every single day. The free plan in 2026 is genuinely powerful. Longer context, better writing, more natural conversations. It doesn't hit you with a hard limit as aggressively as ChatGPT. For writing, summarizing, and thinking through problems, Claude wins, completely free. Number 3, Gemini by Google. The free plan is actually impressive in 2026. It connects directly to Google Search, Google Docs, and Gmail, which is a huge advantage if you're already in the Google ecosystem. Best for research and real-time information. Also completely free. So which one should you use? For writing and thinking, Claude. For quick answers and versatility, ChatGPT. For research and Google integration, Gemini. Here's the good news. All three are free. You don't have to choose just one. I'll leave links to all three in the description below. Completely free, no credit card. If this helped, hit subscribe. Every week I test the latest AI tools and tell you exactly what's worth your time. Which one are you using? Tell me in the comments. See you next week.